Hi, I'm Victor, AI Tech Lead over here at Mux, and I'm really excited to share with you today the Mux AI SDK that will help you build durable AI workflows for video. And with the power of Vercel's Workflow Dev Kit already integrated off the shelf, I want to show you how easy it is to get up and running. All right, over here, we're going to browse videos from the landing page. We can scroll down through a lot of Mux content that we have. We'll go ahead and pick this one. It's a really good chat with Wes Boss. So we'll kick off summarize and generate. Now, you'll notice within the workflows here, we have summarize and generate tags. We have localization to help make your content more accessible. And we have social clips to help you for marketing purposes. While that's running, I can refresh the page. I didn't lose any progress. You can see it just finished. And that is thanks to the workflows that we have built under the hood. So for instance, if I were to kick off a playful summarization, I can leave the page, come back to where I was, and you'll notice that the workflow has been uninterrupted. We resume right back where we were. This is super helpful for building out these workflows at scale. Okay, so now, like I mentioned, let's go ahead and make this content more accessible. So we'll translate captions towards Spanish. If I hit play over here, you'll see now we have Spanish captions. If I wanted to go ahead and translate the audio as well, this is powered by 11 Labs. You'll see that now, whenever we play, we have Spanish, so we can see Wes introduce himself in Spanish.
Hola, mi nombre es Wes Boss. Soy...
Wonderful. Okay, now jumping back for a second, I just want to talk through what you get out of the box with Mux AI. So there's 3 different integration layers. You'll primarily see primitives and workflows, but I'll talk about what it means to compose with connectors. So for the primitives, this is for things like grabbing storyboards real quick, grabbing your VTT or your transcript, and doing things like what I just showed, a workflow where you would generate summaries and tags. And the generate summary and tags comes out of the box. So we're already shipping with workflows that we've built. We have evaluations attached to those. Those are publicly accessible as well, as is the entire SDK. It's going to be an open source project, and the demo that we're walking through will also be open sourced. Okay, so the 3rd layer, to compose with connectors, this is where you'll integrate with things like 11 Labs or with Remotion for rendering. So we have a workflow already built in with the connector with 11 Labs that helps you translate audio in the way that I just demoed. So if we jump back over to video, I want to show you now, if we go down to social clips, we'll go ahead and generate a preview first. This will scan the transcript and find a really good, compelling clip that you can use for social purposes. You'll see the rationale of what was there. You'll notice that we have different aspect ratios that were all created. And in here, now we have a social clip that we can share as well. So there you have it. This is launching today. And this is a turnkey solution for you to go ahead and fork and start building on top of right away. We're just getting started. And while it's already available for early access, there's so much more still ahead that we're excited to get to. If you want to file any issues that you run into or open a PR request, all contributions are welcomed, and we really can't wait to see what you build. Thanks.